Hey, everyone! If you're living in a spot without a dedicated laundry room, or you're just done with dragging heavy bags to the laundromat, you need to check out the Auertech Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine. This machine is a total lifesaver for apartments, dorms, and RVs because it gives you the power of a full-size washer in a compact, portable design. The standout feature here is the twin tub system. You have an 18 pounds wash tub on one side and a 10-pound spin tub on the other. This means you can actually wash one load while spinning another dry at the same time, which is a huge time saver. It's powered by a 1,300 revolutions per minute motor that's surprisingly quiet but tough enough to get your clothes looking brand new in just 15 minutes. Plus, it's built with high-quality, rust-resistant material, so it's designed to last through years of laundry days. One of the best upgrades on this model is the built-in drain pump. Most portable washers rely on gravity to drain, but with this pump, you can easily direct the water into a sink or a tub, even if it's positioned higher than the machine. It's semi-automatic, giving you total control over the wash time, mode, and spin speed with simple, user-friendly knobs. It's lightweight enough to move around easily, yet sturdy enough to handle everything from delicate shirts to heavy towels. Click the link below for the best price and take the hassle out of your laundry day.